ahead.
Hey guys, I'm gonna do a building contest with my mom.
Hi.
Okay. So we're gonna build. Okay, the best building is 5 minutes each.
Okay, we got 5 minutes each. Whoever
Okay.
building is better wins, and the loser has to pick up this whole mess.
Yeah.
You got 5 minutes.
Okay, which one do you want to do? Which one?
I'm gonna do a heart.
A heart.
What are you gonna
Okay. I'm gonna do Twin Tower 1.
Ooh. Okay, David's doing the Twin Tower, which
Wait.
is
Wait,
right
isn't it
here.
like? Isn't
And
it gonna
I'm
take
going
everything?
to do the heart. Let's see which one comes out better.
Wait, isn't it gonna
There
like
you
take everything? Like,
Oh, it might. I don't even know how to do a heart. How do you even do a heart?
bridge. I'm doing bridge. Wait. Yeah, maybe no.
The clock is ticking. You're going down.
Okay.
Where do you hurt?
Wait, I won't pick mine.
Oh. Oh, that one's cool.
Well, this.
Okay, so you changed your mind? You're gonna do a rocket?
Yeah.
You're gonna do a rocket. Okay, David's doing a rocket. Alright. Hold on, let me see how you do this heart. There it is right there. So you need triangles? This works. Okay, there you go.
Okay. Isn't that like hard?
Which
Wait,
one?
what would-
Mine or yours?
Like, no, mine. Wait, what if I do a star?
That one looks cool too, the star. Ooh, yeah. Star's cool.
Isn't that like that?
I like the star.
Isn't that like that?
Yeah? No, you go out. Like that. Bam. Oh, I'm not supposed to help you. You're supposed to lose.
And now this. Yeah.
Okay, I want to do a 3D heart.
Yeah.
These are little magnetiles that we're using.
But you know, I'm just gonna make mine alone.
How?
I'm only making.
Okay, wait. How do I do this? Whoa.
You making a heart?
I need more pieces.
Some windows.
Which one are you doing? You just custom?
Custom.
Custom. Alright, nothing better than that, huh? Okay. Okay, since you're doing custom, I want to see what in the world.
Custom house.
Okay.
What's the triangles?
Oh. Uh-oh.
Grabbing all the triangles.
Lord.
Huh?
Well, I need these ones.
Boom, boom, boom. Is Dad going to judge?
Okay. Dad can judge that.
Speed it.
Oh, that didn't fit. Oh, man.
didn't fit. I'm going fast. Oh, no.
That's so crazy.
Maybe this went 2D. I'm just gonna make it 2D now.
2D? Look at the D. You just did right now.
Yeah, just Lego. I'm making a Lego house.
Okay.
That's a Lego house. Some triangles. It's gonna be a good roof. Oh, we're done.
You are. That's fast.
Fast, Dad.
Alright, time.
Fast, Dad.
Make it a heart. I should have used a different color.
Do you want to do a different color?
Here, wait. That's just this one.
Oh yeah, I'm done. That's that.
Alright. Okay. Sorry.
So,
Alright, the judge is here.
oh,
So, let's show them.
okay.
Alright, David made a house.
Wait.
Siri here. Let me know if
Not
I
you,
can help.
Siri. And I made a 3D heart. Which one's better?
My house or Mom's heart? What was that?
Who won?
My house or my Mom's heart?
I'll take the house.
Oh! David wins. The heart loses.
Oh, that thing don't look like a heart. You know that?
It didn't.
Can you make it small?
Want to do it again?
I gotta make you eat.
I won the house. Won. Wait. The house won. Nice. I won. Yay! Mom, you done? Okay. That's the end of the video. And that was a challenge. And this, oh. The loser needs to clean up the whole thing. So, the whole mess. Needs to do it. Bye guys. Make sure you subscribe to see more. Bye bye.